Grew up further up the coast, up the east coast, part of the first generation of kura kaupapa kids, parents both teachers. It was a big experiment at that stage, and so especially being the teachers' kids, as we were kind of the crash test dummies for all of the, of that kaupapa coming to life. And but fortunate am I, fortunate were we to be given the privilege of being proximate to those spaces and that energy at that time that was occurring. Huri noa te motu, but most particularly within our own takiwā here in Te Tairawhiti. And so I remember both the excitement but also the fear that surrounded those, our whānau, our community at those times, because it was very much an unknown space. And there was still very much the sentiment of needing to leave those taonga tuku iho behind, and that we, the children being brought up in those spaces, were being set up to fail. But luckily we were around some really visionary people of the time to understand that actually those cultural taonga and teachings would give us many gifts that have, for me personally, have been the recipient of it enabling me to travel the world, and has opened many doors, not just for myself but for my children, my family, and for others. We've been able to take those teachings, those learnings, and share them.